HVAC, how to troubleshoot problems. Unless you've had some training in electrical work, you're probably clueless when it comes to problems with your HVAC system. Central heating and air conditioning has grown more and more complex over the years, leaving many homeowners unable to fix problems that should arise. However, there are still a few problems even the most non-mechanically inclined homeowner can tackle on their own. Before you call the repairman out to your house, give these troubleshooting tips a try. The first rule of working with anything as electrically complex as your HVAC system is to shut off any power going to the system. Every day, thousands of people are electrocuted by trying to work on electrical appliances without shutting the power off. Note that it is not enough to simply turn the system off. You need to go straight to the service box and shut off the power entirely. Only then is it safe to work in the machine. You should check the pipes of your system for leaks. This is a likely problem if you're having continuous problems with the water level. Leaky pipes can not only cause problems with your HVAC system, but can lead to water damage in the walls and should be corrected as early as possible. If you do find leaks, change out the pipes immediately. If you do not have the know-how to do so, call out a professional to do the repairs. Once you've inspected the inner workings of the machinery, close it up and turn the power back on. Make sure your filter is clean. Filters should be changed out at least once every 6 months and more often than that if you run the air conditioning on a regular basis. As a test, turn the thermostat below the temperature you normally keep it at. If it finally cuts on, you could be looking at a faulty thermostat, in which case you'll need to replace it. Finally, take a walk outside and make sure the exhaust fan is working. If not, this is causing the problems you're experiencing in the house. Many HVAC systems come with a warranty that applies to the working parts, such as the outside fan. Call the company you bought the system from and see if your warranty is still valid. When the repair service comes out to look at the fan, have them do a full inspection of your system to make sure you don't run into problems in the future. If you're looking for New Rochelle HVAC, http://www.hallheatingcooling.com. Do your research before you buy. For more information, visit www.hallheatingcooling.com, http://www.hallheatingcooling.com. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Andrew_Stratton/83489